Hello friends, welcome back. Okay, after long time I'm making a video because I was offline long time. So I wanna show you my golang boots go and war boots pile because I wanna sell this pile. So I can give you promo about my boots golang pile. I have a helper also there. Okay. So from helper you can easily create golang boots. This is a helper file. Okay, this is a helper file. Golang boots you can create and login from helper. Okay, here helper show you some command you can if you wanna login new boots, so you have primary token per login already, you know about that. Okay, so you will type up token like this, and you will put name, response name. Okay, a1, because in golang booths a1, a2, a3, a4, any names you can choose per booths response and different name. Okay, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, like this. Then you can give space and put your token here, copy your primary token and put here. If you send this message, your booth will be create nvps from helper. Okay, then you can type next word is up token renew, and you will type a1 and then send. Your vps will create a screen for a1 name. Your R name is a1, booth will be login, and vps will be create a screen from helper, and then your booth will be login directly, so you can invite directly booth here and do setting. Okay, and this is a helper file and new file. So I wanna sell this file. If someone interested and wanna buy this file from me, so I will give him, I will put my line id in my description, and easily you can log in your booth from helper. This is a go booths and war mix. Okay, also fighter boots, strong boots, and I wanna sell this file because I need some money. So if you are interested, so you can buy. Okay, this is a boots. Okay, this is a golang boots. Okay, you can see here, you can easily log in your golang boots from helper. Okay, you can see here our name. Okay, see here, a9, a5, a7, a6, a8, a10. You can change your response name also for booth respond. I was change our name one booth, so one booth will respond me. Okay, I will type help. So you can check here all command. This is a new I recommend you can use this file. You will be happy because this is a new file and strong, also new update. Okay, also new update. You can check here all help commands. Allowed have there all command war on, past can mean in fighting. When booth is strong, cancel the other booth in white. Okay, kick all, cancel all, leave leave everything you can search here. Okay, allowed command have there. So this is a new update file. I was updated, and also I put a helper there for login, because if you wanna use vps and go every time to check your booth is login or no, from helper you can easily turn off your booth and turn on your booth easily. You can give here command, then you can easily log in your booth. You will never open every time vps to go in vps and create a new booth for login and make screen everything very hard work. Okay, from helper From helper you can easily log in your booth. Okay. Okay, if you wanna turn up someone booth, you can check here also screen. Your boot screen here will be show. Okay, how many screen you create. Okay, here a10, a9, a8. If you wanna turn up someone boot, then type kill. If I want turn up a10, so I will click a10. So boot will be up. Okay, and then send this message. Your helper will be turn up this one boot a10. Like if you wanna turn up all boots, so you can easily turn up like this. Okay. Okay, if you are interested to wanna go file new update, okay, then contact me, line ID in my description. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Allah Hafiz.